Gotta open it. Okay. Open it. Okay, so after doctor try in the patient's mouth, and they are fabricated previously to all fiber abutment and with a mortar, which is a great. And then doctor tried a patient's mouth. They take the pickup impression, which is awesome. So then we can check all the pontic, make sure all the way down. Then I can get the cracked occlusion as well. So almost metal linger on the backside. Let's make good supporting. And here's for lower. Then finals the restorations, what they are achieving for from their print model. This is the prototypes which is doctor fabricated, and then we're trying to match it up. Excuse me. Another PFM. So we recommend the doctor have the cement inside. This is a one hex underneath. After they try in carefully, then they cement it together. So this is another, it's a full-mouth case. Then we made it from Canadian touch plations. Top and the bottom. Sorry. Okay. So which was we can get this. Okay, it's now ready to send to Georgia. Here's the verification jigs we made for the doctors in case just fit it all the way down. So doctor have to use this one. And this is the tissue. This is the finals fabrications.